Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best mini Christmas light bulbs is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components of your holiday decorating arsenal, and choosing the right ones can mean the difference between a dazzling display and a dim disappointment, ensuring your festive spirit shines brightly throughout the season. Number 5. National Tree RBG 25C Replacement Bulbs. Introducing the National Tree RBG 25C, your solution for replacing burnt-out bulbs. This pack contains 25 UL listed, 2.5-volt replacement bulbs, perfect for your holiday lighting needs. These bulbs are designed for use with 50, 100, and 150 bulb light strings. They are ideal for decorating trees, garlands, wreaths, and other lighted holiday displays. Changing your light bulbs has never been easier. These convenient mini lights make refreshing your holiday decorations a breeze. Crafted with high-quality LED technology, these replacement lights are built to last. They will help bring holiday cheer to your home for many seasons to come. At National Tree Company, we help you create special holiday memories. Let our decorations transform your home and focus on making magical moments this Christmas. What we like? This pack offers a convenient count of 25 bulbs, perfect for quick replacements. They are UL listed for safety and designed for easy installation. If you need a straightforward solution for a few burned-out bulbs on your existing light strings, this is a great choice. What people say. The new bulbs work as they should. A few days later they're still going strong and no burnouts. These work with the pre-lit tree I purchased years ago. Other 2.5V bulbs blew out immediately. I found it hard to find 2.5-volt light bulbs that are white and are replacement bulbs. The bulb is what I needed and they work great. Number 4. Mutter Christmas Tree Replacement Light Bulbs. Are your holiday lights looking a little dim? Don't let a few burnt-out bulbs spoil the festive spirit. We have the perfect solution to keep your decorations shining bright all season long. These mini incandescent bulbs offer a warm white glow, creating that cozy, romantic atmosphere you love. They are designed to fit seamlessly into your existing wire string lights, ensuring a consistent and beautiful look. Crafted with quality materials and exquisite workmanship, these bulbs are safe and reliable. They are built to last, providing you with peace of mind and a beautifully lit holiday. Replacing a bulb is simple and straightforward. Just unplug your lights, remove the old bulb, insert the new one correctly, and plug them back in. It's that easy to restore your light strings. These versatile bulbs are ideal for more than just Christmas trees. Use them to decorate wreaths, garlands, indoor and outdoor spaces, parties, weddings, and any other occasion that calls for a touch of warm light. With 60 bulbs in each package, you'll have plenty to keep your holiday decorations looking their best. Ensure your home is filled with warmth and light throughout the entire festive season. What we like? Get a generous 60 bulbs in this pack, ideal for larger decorating projects. These bulbs provide a warm white glow, creating a cozy atmosphere. If you're looking for a consistent warm ambience for your indoor or outdoor Christmas displays, especially on artificial trees or garlands, these are a fantastic option. What people say. The warm white color match is perfect for this particular tree. You cannot tell which ones are replacement bulbs. These replacement bulbs are specifically designed for 2.5V 0.425 watt light strings, which matched perfectly with my existing setup. Installation was straightforward. Each bulb fit snugly into the sockets of my light string, and they lit up beautifully without any flickering. Number 3. Mutter 60-count Mini Incandescent Replacement Bulbs. Introducing our 60-count pack of replacement mini incandescent bulbs. Perfect for bringing a soft, festive glow to your Christmas decorations. These 2.5-volt bulbs are designed for 50 to 200-count incandescent string lights. Crafted with quality materials, they ensure safe and reliable use for all your decorating needs. Replacing a bulb is simple. Just unplug the light set, remove the old bulb, insert the new one ensuring the wires are correctly positioned, and plug it back in. It's that easy. Achieve a warm and romantic festive atmosphere with their beautiful warm white glowing effect. They are ideal for Christmas trees, wreaths, and garlands. These lights are perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Decorate your home, trees, patios, fences, and more for Christmas, parties, weddings, and various holidays. Don't let a few burnt-out bulbs spoil your festive mood. Keep your string lights shining bright with these essential replacements. What we like. This set also includes 60 bulbs, offering plenty for your decorating needs. These bulbs come in a colorful option, adding vibrancy to your lights. If you prefer a more festive and multicolored look for your Christmas tree, wreaths, or outdoor decorations, these colorful bulbs are the way to go. What people say. These bulbs are a perfect fit for my old mini light strings, restoring them to their former glory. The color output is vibrant and consistent across all the bulbs, making my holiday display look fantastic. Easy to install, just pop out the old and push in the new. Save me from buying a whole new set of lights. Number 2. Aodaer 500 pieces clear mini replacement light bulbs. Introducing our pack of 500 clear mini replacement bulbs. These are perfect for bringing your decorative lights back to life. Replacing your old bulbs is easy. Simply insert the copper wires into the socket and ensure they are securely in place. These bulbs are ideal for Christmas trees, wreaths, and garlands. They can also replace burnt-out lights in various indoor and outdoor settings. Designed with a hard, radiation-free shell, these bulbs are safe for indoor and outdoor use. They are bright enough to illuminate your festive decorations. Each bulb operates at 2.5 volts, 0.17 amperes, and 0.42 watts. Please check your light string specifications before purchasing to ensure compatibility. With 500 bulbs in each package, you'll have plenty of replacements for all your lighting needs throughout the holiday season. What we like. This is an exceptional value with 500 clear replacement bulbs, perfect for extensive decorating or for those who want to be fully prepared. They feature a hard, radiation-free shell for durability. If you have a lot of lights to maintain or want to stock up for multiple seasons, this bulk pack is an excellent and economical choice. What people say. Right brightness and colors. They were just as bright as the original bulbs. These give off a very nice bright light and definitely worth the price. Number 1. Aodaer 100 PCS Mini Christmas Replacement Light Bulbs. You'll receive 100 replacement bulbs, ensuring you have plenty for daily use and any unexpected needs. This generous quantity is perfect for keeping your festive lights shining bright. These bulbs operate at 2.5 volts, 0.17 amperes, and 0.42 watts, making them compatible with most lamp holders. They are designed to work seamlessly with light sets of 50 lights, providing ample brightness. These are the perfect replacement bulbs for your Christmas tree decorations. If any bulbs have burned out or are old, these are the ideal items to bring your lights back to life. Experience an ultra-bright incandescent glow that fits your Christmas tree lights perfectly. Simply replace the old ones with these new bulbs for an easy and effective refresh. These bulbs feature a straightforward design with 2 wires for easy replacement. Just be careful to ensure the wires don't cross when inserting them into the base to prevent short circuits. What we like. This pack provides 100 ultra-bright clear incandescent bulbs, ensuring your lights shine brightly. They are designed for compatibility with most lamp holders and are suitable for light sets with up to 300 lights. If you're aiming for maximum brightness and have a significant number of lights to refresh, these are a superb option. What people say. These were compatible with my old pre-lit national tree with clear incandescent lights. All of the bulbs worked and looked the exact same as the originals in brightness and hue. They come in a handy plastic case. These are great for replacing one-off burnt bulbs. If your whole string is out, it's harder to ID burnt bulbs and you might want to buy new string. But if you're patient and have an hour to burn, you can get any string working again. The bulbs function well to relamp typical light strings and pre-lit trees. The brightness is just fine, matching existing lights well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.